Now is the time to discover 3 Things Live. A whole new season is set to launch on Monday, September 15th.
3 Things Live is a lifestyle show that is at the center of a community of creative people just like you. Not only do we learn about sewing and quilting, but we also focus on the well-being of the whole person.
This show consists of 3 segments we affectionately call Thing 1, Thing 2, and Thing 3.
Thing 1 is something to make you smile. Here we focus on the good we see around the world to help elevate the quality of life. This could include mental and physical health, gardening, funny stories, family, food, and so much more.
Thing 2 is something to learn. Quilting and sewing is at the heart of all we do here, and so each day we bring you a tutorial to raise your creative IQ and confidence.
Theme 3 is something to discover. This could be something that added new perspectives on what we do, pertinent news, how we create, trends, upcoming events, how to get involved, or new techniques that allowed us to find success in our creative endeavors, and we share our discoveries with you.
So watch live every Monday through Wednesday at 1 p.m. Mountain and 3 p.m. Eastern, or catch up later on YouTube and Facebook. Click the links below and find out why you belong here.
Let's go!